Take a look at this new 2013 GMC Sierra 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. The Sierra 1500 boasts a 6.2-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the Cocoa Light Cashmere, perforated nuance leather appointed seat trim, onyx black, assist steps, chrome tubular, 6 inches oval, GVWR, 6,800 pounds, 3084 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, engine, Vortex 6.2L variable valve timings VE85 compatible, flex fuel and a transmission, 6-speed automatic, heavy-duty, electronically controlled. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.